Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pasquini Livia 90. It came into the shop because it was leaking from the exhaust right here. In this case, it was due to a leaking brew solenoid valve. Ultimately, to solve it, I just service the valve by using descaler and Kafisa because to get rid of the scale and to get rid of the coffee residue, because coffee does end up running through there. And I also did a tune-up on the machine. So I descaled the machine and then I cleaned the group head, replaced the gasket. Here you can see the old gasket right here. It's a conical. I replaced it with the conical. And then here is the old shower screen. I'm not sure if you're able to make that out, but a lot of the holes are actually clogged with a lot of coffee. I just ended up replacing it, especially because it's mesh, and mesh tends to be harder to clean. And then also there was a leaking vacuum relief valve, and we decided to replace that as well. Alright, so now it's heated up. You can see we got steam, we got hot water. I'm going to run this hot water for a second or so. And then maybe a little bit more. This is just heat up. There you go. The autofill is working. You can see it's maintaining pressure. It's turning back. I turned the heat back on because it just pumped a bunch of cold water into the boiler. And lastly, I'm just gonna run a test shot here. We don't have this machine dialed in or anything, so it's not to show you how to make the best shot. It's just to demonstrate the functionality of the machine. So here we go. I'm going to stop right there. Alright, there we have it. That's it for coffee. Yeah, thank you for watching.